Hi, this is Sose. There's a job opening for technology civil data engineer. The company FEG, the location is Hyderabad. The main strong database administrator and experience with the MS SQL server or skills. Strong understanding of cloud technology, networking, costing, and monitoring. A degree in computer science or information technology, fluent communications in English, both written and verbal. Team player who can share experience with the team and grow them technically. And the second technology is Azure SQL DBA, the company UST, the location is Bangalore, Karnataka. The experience with infrastructure, the cloud of database engineer, cloud DBA experience with Azure SQL, and experience as a senior SQL DBA, in-depth technical knowledge of the flow for. And the third technology is technical specialist for the company Datavail. Location will be Hyderabad, Telangana. They are looking for 9 years of experience candidate. The education qualification must be BE, B.Tech, BSc, a graduation. Location will be Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad. Experience skills are given below. And the fourth technology is Azure SQL DBA. They are looking for 9 years of experience candidate. The location is Pan India. The company name is Capgemini. Job description and end-to-end technical responsibilities for the successful delivery of the engagement. Work closely with our clients and lead architects, program and project manager, technical staffs, and other IT stakeholders. And the fifth technology, senior associate administrator, the company Datavail. The location will be Mumbai. They are looking for someone plus experience candidate. The education required is BE, B.Tech, BSc graduation. The location will be Mumbai or Bangalore. The links will be given in the video description. So now please subscribe to the Source University channel for more job updates. Thank you.